Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to share latest work from home jobs from BAMS Technologies. So they are hiring for different positions. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, for the position of SEO specialist, freshers and experienced candidates both are eligible to apply, and you must have excellent skill sets in English, and the salary would be 10 to 15,000 per month. Next one, they are hiring for web designers with 1 year of working experience, and the salary would be 15,000 per month. So to eligible for this position, you must have skill sets on HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So coming to the last one, they are also hiring for graphics designer. So you must have skill sets on Photoshop, Illustrator and CorelDRAW with 1 year of working experience, and the salary would be 10 to 25,000 per month. So if you want to apply for any of the job role, you can drop your resume on this mail ID.